Hi, welcome to Alwala's General Knowledge class. Today our topic is United Nations Organization. United Nations Organization. It is the biggest intergovernmental organization in the world. It is also biggest peace organization in this modern world. It is the second peace organization in this world. First peace organization was League of Nations. It was the first peace organization in the world. It was established after First World War, established by Woodrow Wilson, at the time President of America. But it could not protect peace and security. Then another organization is required, that is United Nations. During Second World War going time, two important personalities met in Atlantic Ocean. They met in a ship in Atlantic Ocean. Those two leaders were Winston Churchill, Prime Minister of Britain, and Franklin Roosevelt. These two persons met in 1941 and they discuss about one organization to protect peace and security in the modern world. That's why these two personalities are the main founders. After that, some meetings were conducted with other leaders. Stalin also joined. He suggested, Franklin D. Roosevelt suggested this term UNO. United Nations Organization term was suggested by Franklin Roosevelt. That is, you remember, they made one rules and regulations charter that is called Atlantic Charter. This Atlantic Charter was made in Dumbarton Oaks meeting, USA. In 1944, they met and discussed, and some rules and regulations were made in Dumbarton Oaks meeting. After that, they approved or adopted this Atlantic Charter in San Francisco meeting. San Francisco city is also located in USA. It is called the City of Golden Gate. In this city, on June 26, 1945, total 50 countries signed on this Atlantic Charter. But it came into force with 51 countries. Later, Poland was also joined. That's why UNO was started with how many countries? Remember, 51 countries. UNO started from October 24, 1945. That's why October 24 is observed United Nations Day. The day it was established. Then onwards, UNO Day is observing on October 24th. The term was suggested by Franklin D. Roosevelt, where approved this Atlantic Charter San Francisco meeting on June 26, 1945. How many nations signed on this Atlantic Charter? 50 nations were signed, but it came into force with how many countries? 51 countries. India was also one of the member from starting onwards. On this day, India was also member in UNO. Present, how many nations are there in UNO? 193 nations are there in UNO. 193rd country is South Sudan. This country was joined in 2011. It got independence from Sudan in Africa. After that, joined in UNO. This is the last nation joined in UNO. 192 country is Montenegro. 193 is South Sudan, one African country. Total 193 nations are there. This much of big organization is not there. That's why it is the biggest peace and intergovernmental organization in this modern world. What are the main objectives or aims of UNO? The first and most important objective is to protect and maintain peace and security. The most important thing is to protect and maintain peace and security. Whenever this world is peaceful, definitely so many developments are possible. Socially, economically, politically, any country or world possible only whenever maintain peace and security. That's why the most important objective is to protect and maintain peace and security. Second one is to develop friendly relations among the nations. Whenever friendly relations are there, definitely countries are possible to develop. That's why second objective is to develop friendly relations among the nations. Third one is to achieve international cooperation. Whenever international cooperation is achieved, definitely this world will be welfare world. That point of view, to achieve international cooperation, all countries are cooperate each other, definitely this world is possible to develop. Next, to be a center for harmonizing the actions of nations. Whenever it is center to harmonize, to maintain prosperity point of view, it must be a center among all the nations. That point of view, this objective is mentioned. Not only these four objectives, and also some other objectives are there. To protect health of human beings, WHO, it is one of the associate organizations of UNO that is protecting human being health. Eradicate poverty point of it is working. Improve literacy, eradicate illiteracy, elimination of child labor. So many objectives purpose this UNO is working in this modern world. Next, official languages. How many are there in UNO? Official languages are 6. Whenever it was started, only 5 official languages, but after that, one official language was added, that is Arabic. Simply remember these 6 languages. A for Arabic, C for Chinese, E for English, F for French, R for Russian, S for Spanish. Arabic joined in 1973. Arabic language was joined in 1973. Before that, these 5 languages were there. Present 6 official languages are there in UNO. Where headquarters? UNO headquarters is located in New York, USA. That is Manhattan Island. In that place, in New York City, headquarters is located. Basically, temporary headquarters was established in London, but in 1951, new headquarters constructed. Then it was shifted to New York in 1951. Famous donor industrialist had given land. That person is John D. Rockefeller. In that place, UNO headquarters was constructed. Present, it is located in New York, USA. World business capital. New York is world business capital, empire city of this world. That is New York. Next, flag. UNO flag is made with 3:3 ratio. Made with 3:2 ratio on light blue color cloth used. It is made with light blue color cloth or whatever other product, whatever it may be, but light blue color cloth. On this light blue color cloth, 2 bent olive branches are there. These olive branches indicate peace. Between these 2 olive branches, globe is there. Globe means world. Whenever this world is peaceful, definitely all people are comfortable. That point of view, these olive branches indicate peace. This globe indicates world. World is protected peacefully. That point of view, these olive branches are shown here. Next, how it runs. It has 6 main organs. UNO has 6 main organs. Indian government has some main organs. Human body has 5 sets of organs like that. United Nations has 6 main organs. Number 1, General Assembly. It is also called as World Parliament because all countries, how many members are there? All those members are here also members. Total 193 countries are members in the General Assembly. It meets every year once. Generally, it meets in September month. It may be possible to meet more than one time also, but yearly once meeting is conducted. This General Assembly head is elected by the General Assembly members. General Assembly President term is 1 year. First man was elected President of General Assembly from our country. That person was Vijayalakshmi Pandit. First woman and also only one Indian was elected to President of General Assembly. That person is Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Whatever decisions are taken in the Security Council, those decisions are approved by General Assembly. After approving any decisions in General Assembly, then it is implemented. Like it is Parliament type. Next, second organ is Security Council. It is the most powerful organ in UNO. all decisions are taken in the Security Council, like cabinet in our country. It has 15 countries. 5 are permanent nations, 10 are non-permanent or temporary nations. Total 15 nations are there. 5 nations are permanent, 10 nations are non-permanent. These 10 non-permanent nations are elected for 2 years term. Every year 5 nations are elected and every year 5 nations are retired. India was elected total 7 times so far. Recently, 2021 January 1st onwards, India is working as a temporary nation in UN Security Council. Okay, 5 nations, permanent nations are simply called ABCFR. ABCFR. These 5 permanent nations. These 5 nations are A for America, it means United States of America. B for Britain, C for China, F for France, R for Russia. These nations have veto power. Any decision is taken by these 5 nations, then that is implemented in UNO. India has been trying to get permanent membership in Security Council from last 3 decades, but India could not get permanent membership in Security Council. That is, you remember. Next, the Economic and Social Council. It is third organ in UNO. It has 54 countries. 54 nations are there in UN Economic and Social Council. Every year, 1/3 part of nations. It means 18 nations are elected and 18 nations are retired. The world, whenever develops economically, socially, then this world is possible to establish welfare world. That point of view, this organ is working, that is Economic and Social Council. Total nations are 54. Each nation term is 3 years. Every year 18 nations are elected and 18 nations are retired. That is the Economic and Social Council. Socio-economic development purpose, this organ is working. Next, Trusteeship Council. Whenever UNO was formed, some colonies, colonial states were there. Those colonial states were ruled by Trusteeship Council. In 1945, 11 colonial colonies were there. But after that, one by one, got independence and some countries were joined into other nations. Still, it was suspended in 1994. Last country was left from this Trusteeship Council, that is Palau. After that, this council was suspended. Of all these 6 organs, which organ is suspended? You remember Trusteeship Council in 1994. Next, International Court of Justice. It is the 5th organ in UNO, headquarters located The Hague, Netherlands. All headquarters are located in New York except the International Court of Justice. That is The Hague, Netherlands. Netherlands country is also called Holland. In that place, this court is located. This court is not solving between individual or between person problems. This court can solve only country problems. It is not established for individual problems purpose. That is International Court of Justice. It has a chairman and 15 members are there. Chairman means Chief Justice, members are judges. These are elected from different countries. A person wants to be elected here, that person must be worked in that person country's highest court. From India, anybody wants to be elected in this court, compulsory that person must be worked in our Supreme Court as a judge. Otherwise, that person not eligible to contest this International Court of Justice member or president. Some Indians were also elected to these posts, that is International Court of Justice. Last one is Secretariat. Secretariat means administrative headquarters. Indian government has Secretariat, state governments have Secretariat, same thing like that. Secretariat means administrative headquarters. It is also located in New York. Its head is Secretary General. Present Secretary General of UNO is Antonio Guterres from Portugal. Famous politician from Portugal, Antonio Guterres, was elected in 2017. 5 years. Term is 5 years. How many years term? You remember, 5 years term. Is the 9th Secretary General of UNO. Any Indian could not elect to this post so far, but only one Indian contested to this post. That person is Shashi Tharoor. 2 Asians were elected to this post. One is U Thant from Myanmar and second one is Ban Ki-moon from South Korea. maximum Europeans elected to this post, that is United Nations Secretary General. Under this person, Deputy Secretary Generals are there, Assistant Secretary Generals are there, they are also cooperating to this person. This person is administrative head of UNO. UNO years also very important. 2021, UNO is observing what? International Year of Peace and Trust. One concept is International Year of Peace and Trust, and second one is Creative Economy for Sustainable Development. Whenever we have to create economy for sustainable development, then our people are comfortable. Next, number third one is International Year of Fruits and Vegetables. International Year of Fruits and Vegetables. And number fourth is Elimination of Child Labor. 2021 is giving importance to 4 important concepts. Number one is International Year of Peace and Trust. Number 2 is Creative Economy for Sustainable Development. Number 3 is International Year of Fruits and Vegetables. Number 4 is Elimination of Child Labor. Last year 2020, UNO had given importance to International Year of Plant Health and also Nurses and Midwives. 2022 will be given importance to artisanal fisheries and aquaculture, artificially development fisheries and aquaculture. That point of view, 2022 will be given importance. 2023 International Year of Millets. 2023 International Year of Millets. 2024 International Year of Camelids. It is one camel type animal. These animals are day by day decreasing. These animals are maximum living in South America, some parts in Africa and East Asia also. This animal importance will be given in 2024. That is International Year of Camelids. These are main important points we have to concentrate. Thank you.